Welcome back to Cheap 4x4 on the YouTubes. Today we're going to cover what I believe you need for a basic trail kit. This won't be able to fix everything that you might have come up, but you'll be at about 95% of repairs. So to start, we'll look at the pliers that I believe you need. So good water pump pliers, doesn't matter what brand, as long as they are riveted together, not bolted together. You will hate yourself if that nut comes off on a bolted pair and you smash your hand up. That freaking hurts. A pair of needle nose pliers. I like the ones that have cutters with them as well. This makes it so you need to carry less tools if you really want to, but they are amazing to work with. A pair of slip joint pliers. The brand does not matter as long as they are of decent quality. The teeth meet up relatively well. They will do amazing things for you. Diagonal side cutting pliers, or dikes. These are going to be used to cut zip ties and wires as you're making repairs. These are my favorite pair. Can't get them anymore, of course. A set of Allen wrenches. Metric, standard, whatever you need for your vehicle, that's what you need to get. A wrench roll. These are important to have. You should always have the biggest set you can that goes from high all the way down to low. This set is from Tecton. Goes from 8mm up to 22mm without skipping. That's the important part. A lot of sets will have 8mm up to 15, skip to 16, 18, and anything up higher. Of course, you'll always need the 16 and the 18 when you don't have it. Moving on from that, a good ratchet. I like this long one, about 12 inches long, made by Pittsburgh. Prefer that over a snap-on ratchet, actually. And then, to go along with that, a basic set of sockets that fit your vehicle. These ones are metric because my vehicles are typically metric. Along with that, I like to carry some 1/4-inch sockets because, of course, this one only goes down to 10mm. This one will go down a lot smaller, all the way down to 4mm. And yes, they are shallows, and I have a ratchet and some extensions in there with it. I figure if you need deeps, you can probably get a wrench on it, but like I said, this only gets about 90% of repairs. A hammer, you never know exactly when you're going to need it, but when you do, you need it. Screwdrivers. This set has your Torx, your flathead, squares, and then your Phillips as well. I like that because it's a lot of tools in one. When you're on the trail, you don't have a lot of room for a bunch of tools. That combines a lot of screwdrivers into one. Vice grips. You gotta have vice grips. Say you lose your brakes or brake line on the trail, you gotta be able to clamp that off. Vice grips are the way to go. Also, got a rounded off fastener, that'll get you done. Crescent wrenches. I like a 12-inch and an 8-inch. The 12-inch is for moving metal. That's mainly what I use it for. The 8-inch is for tightening down little things like on a light bar. Throw this in your center console, grab it if you need it for quick repairs. Next thing, a punch. Goes over with your hammer. When you need to drive something out, that's your best friend. Next thing is your electrical stuff. You always want to have a good multimeter. Good multimeter will allow you to find any problem you have with your vehicle. Next is a good pair of strippers and crimpers. This will allow you to fix your electrical problems, at least with your wiring. Along with that, a good basic set of miscellaneous electrical components. This set I've got some zip ties, some battery some clamps for larger wire, and then all your different terminals, your fuses, everything else that you would need. Along with that, if you would like, you can also carry things like an impact gun, a more extensive ratchet set, or even a 1/2 inch impact. Along with that would go a 1/2 inch set of sockets. One thing I forgot to pull out is a pry bar, which I don't have on me right now. A pry bar allows you to bend things, pry things out of the way. Now, this needs to be very vehicle specific. Work with this kit on your vehicle at home, and if you find something that you need for pattern failures on your vehicle, grab that tool, throw it in your kit. This kit should be able to fit in a standard bag, standard small tool bag. If it doesn't, you might want to pull some stuff out or get a little bit bigger bag, but then it makes it hard to find it. So this is what I think you should carry on a trail tool kit, and wouldn't be bad to keep this in your vehicle at all times. Thank you for watching 4x4 or cheap 4x4 on the YouTubes. See you later.